Hey guys, me Misha. Let's prep for our tomorrow. Draw my head. Not even a second, right? Before I start singing. No tomorrow. No tomorrow. Yeah, it's approaching a transition extremum. Use. Intel. I chickened out of this trade for battery. That needed a test because the regular spring on lower volume, it went lower. The reaction bar went lower, so needed a test and untested. And then this needed a test since counter trend. And by that time, it's already broke. I also don't know how to, like, maybe this bar should be read as the bearish bar. I don't know, you guys. Anyhow, and tomorrow is the last day. It's gonna be crazy. This is the test level on Fosagra. Pink. Up thrust test. The only problem is it's in the wrong place. Why do I even chart it like this? No clue, no clue. Something is off with this charting. I have no idea what. This stock is dying, if anything. It just died. Yeah, I should not be even charting it this way. There's no context. Well, the range is also not workable. So, put it back. Anyhow, it just dies. It's good to go lower. Tegeka. Nowhere on monthly. And LMK shows a test level. Dead. DEAD. This closes below. I don't want to see there's a balance. I don't have to. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. SLB broke down. This guy's dying. Yeah, it's gonna close. It's gonna break tomorrow. And then to do this whole thing is open. Yeah. I might be stuck for long in Schlumberger. Samalot, everything. Just look at this guy. This is unbelievable. You are unforgettable. 240. Did go lower, so it's also broke now. Is this thing Don't chart this level because it's... Wait. Why did I change the direction? Still holds. Yeah. Roku is doing a little something. Okay, Discord guy. $638. Close 642. Did close above. However, 450. 450. Okay. Doom. This is gone and done. Thank you very much. It's gonna close tomorrow. What I'm looking at, what I'm looking for, a daily watch rate. Catch up. Pew. Looks all right. That was down, down, down. So still need a local extremum. We've got a transition extremum, we need a local extremum. This is interesting. Yeah. This is interesting. Too high up there. All good on monthly, daily, too high on daily. Keep an eye. This guy. It's gone and done. It's gone and done. It was down, test. It was like unvolumed. And that wasn't even the level. Yeah, I knew. There's another way to see it. But I won't. What I'm looking for, nothing. I think I'm looking for nothing. Aeroflot. Aeroflot. It's the biggest air carrier in Russia that inherited its fleet and business from Soviet monopolist Aeroflot. So if this thing collapses, like Russian market is really like, looks like it's in the midst of crisis, like big crisis. If American market will go in a full-scale correction tomorrow, oof, it's gonna be hot in Russia. It's funny with all this like autonomous, like all the capital left Russia and everything, and yet Russian economy is such a derivative, and financial markets are such a derivative of American financial system. It's really amazing how they failed to disconnect from United States of America. What am I doing here? Yeah, it's in correction tomorrow, so I'll be good for short. So many things are gonna be good for short tomorrow. This thing is gonna break down tomorrow, so yeah, that's all. This all is gonna go tomorrow. United Health. Also, tomorrow's gonna close in correction. Most likely. Well, it's gone and done. So now it's this. Now it's this situation. You got a situation. It's gonna be. Oh, it's gonna halt maybe. Up thrust, test, retest, good to go down, but gonna break tomorrow. ACM. Yeah, some things continue to go. Some things continue to go. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be like a chilly day. Unvolumed. And it's counter trend. Yeah. In counter trend, it's good till 0.5. You know that, right? And there's room to go, so it's not bad. It's good up to here. However, we need a it's actually not bad. We need a volume. We need a volume, and see what it does. It just goes by the wait. All right. Yeah. So yeah, transitioning shown. Yeah, it's a coincidence or matching. I don't know which word is better. It's matching, hours matching. Day or they coincide. You know, English is so hard for me. Yeah. And the thing was going down, right? It's a little bit confusing what happened here. It actually held the level, so yeah, that was actually that was a transition extremum. So yeah, it didn't even need a test actually. Did I miss an entry point again? I did. This is on volume though, which is alarming a little bit. And there's a volume build up big time here. That was good to take it just like this though. I don't know if it's gonna gap tomorrow or not. So that will be hairy. Yeah, that will be the problem. Maybe buying a boat instead. I need to nail this need to nail this option thing. What is this stock and what is it doing on my list? $56 billion, Dallas, Texas, 1996. Boom. Boom. What the heck? There's like no volumes in it or what? Yeah. There's not much volume. No one wants this stock. 40% closely held. Don't know. I don't know. This is just no one trades this stock on 5 minutes. But yeah, this was good. There's no test needed. Let's see how it opens tomorrow. Look at this breakdown. That's last hour of the day. It broke up so high. Probably would want to see a test anyway. Or maybe I'm just chickening out of all my trades. Too scared. Okay, let's fix you, my friend. My annual lines. And then this. So that was a balance here. Yeah. It's gonna broke it up, but then came back. Yeah, so then it broke up. And yeah, God knows what it was doing here. I failed to understand. But yeah, I think that's an expanding balance. That's what it is. And it was also 0.5, I think, too. Yeah. And then bigger volume on test. This is concerning. There's a bigger volume on test. And yeah. And that was a transition extremum. So dun. It's in this balance. And the problem is what that corporate bonds. The problem is what is this volume? What was I trying to say here? Unvolumed, all this like crazy volume build up. A crazy volume build up. Okay, this is obviously from annual story too. Came to 0.5 and now it's a consolidation. Yeah, someone is picking up this unvolumed upthrust, so I wouldn't be too crazy about it. Horizon. Well, technically, this upthrust, it's like smaller volume, but that is the break under ice, so within the logic of what's going on. Okay, let's fix our horizon. I was trying horizon for way too long. Multiple times. Did I do any? I think I did. Or did I break even? I had a trade on Verizon maybe half year ago. Okay. Was it the .com? Yeah, that was a .com bubble. Didn't even have a, yeah, I didn't even reach. Didn't even reach T1. Not enough strength, liquidity. One can argue that's a level at 0.5. It's like close. So that makes sense. Doesn't change anyhow. It's an upthrust, volume to upthrust. Counter trend in a balance. So good up to the monthly level, yeah. That could have been a go. Who cares? Air product. Yeah. Yeah. It just goes. It just goes. Just goes. I don't know what to tell. It just goes. You see how the bait the monster level? Like almost by a tick. And I closed it here. Good job. Good job, Mishka. Okay, let's chart this guy. I don't know why, but I'm getting tired fast nowadays. Charting and staring at the monitor. I don't know. Don't tell me I lost my bliss trading. That would be premature retirement. Early retirement without meeting my retirement goals. I think the key is to moderate my screen time and take a break. No, that makes sense, you see. Boom, and it reversed. Transition extremum. Look how beautiful it is. Unvolumed, volumed upthrust, and bye-bye. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh, look. So technically this scale allows me to play from monthly even sometimes. That would be amazing. Yeah, that's good for short. However, it's good to short its counter trend, so It's good for a short up to 0.5, which is right there. Booms. Almost there. Yeah. Almost there. Volume. Casco. Casco just goes up. Just doesn't care. Doesn't care about nothing. But nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Like this. Just like that. Unvolumed. Yeah. That's about it. Yeah. Tun. Count trend is not your friend. And then in 2 months it's gonna close in a break. That was a test. Volume on reaction bar, and then that's the test. That was a quickie. It didn't go there yet. Yeah, no, couldn't take it anyway. Okay, that's gonna be our last one for today, okay? And you guys gonna let me go. And everything I say is not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion. Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything anyway. Sad truth about our business. No one knows anything. So there is no reason to listen to anyone. Learn and grow in communities of like-minded people, though. Okay. This upthrust is massive. It's massive. And it's in a balance, so I don't need a close manipulation signal. That's also, that's a daily, and that's for hourly. You know what I mean? Yeah, no, it's for days and hours. And the biggest volume was here. Oh, and it already had a test. Look at this. Look at this, I'll show you. Yeah. Everything is so quiet. Is it because of Halloween? Is this how horror movies start? A lonely trader left alone on the Halloween night. Too busy with his greed to to celebrate. No, really. Normally it's like super loud in the park at this hour, which is right by my window. And now it's quiet, like that quiet. So if this is my last message, I wanted to know that I loved you all this time, all of you, with absolute unconditional love. That's my message to the world. No matter how much you bite me, still gonna love you, all of you. That's my thing. What is this? I have like cursor blinking. This is alarming now. Am I going crazy? Some new thing going on my trading view. Okay, this is the change of direction, which makes sense. Correction has started on D. And anyways, it's like a little bit, you know what I mean? It's a little bit too high. The whole thing, it's good till this level, but you know, the whole thing, and look at the year. Yeah, I do have this thing blinking on my monitor. Is it? Luckily, it's only the yeah. Luckily, it's only the trading view. Okay, that's better. Yeah, it's at the test level right now. What was happening here though? Huh. Oh, it's Russian stock. Okay. So yeah. Russian stock is like a curse. Oh, it's Russian stock. It changes because like geopolitical instability in Russia is just ridiculous. Wait, how did this happen? It's not a transition extremo. Lame mistake. Okay. Anyhow, I don't know. And this volume, look at this volume. Yeah, no, it's not the biggest. It's not like initiative takeover. It's big. Can break. Let's keep an eye. Okay, guys, I gotta go now. So we have these guys for tomorrow. Wait, this is wait, what am I trying to achieve here? Yeah. Why is it even on my wait? And it's not a level. Anyhow, ketchup. Now, this guy, what I'm trying to do here. Anyone knows what I'm trying? What's my point here? So I don't know. What's my point here? This is the biggest volume. Spread That is weird, though. No, this is. Oh, yeah, and see the seller's tail. That's alarming too. I don't know. Technically, it's just the transitional extremum, but practically, maybe. Maybe it's this. But now it. And yeah. Anyways, waves are not born like this, so yeah. It's more of this situation. And it's a balance, right? It is a balance. Broke here, but then it went all the way up. It broke here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and yeah, it's a balance. It's a balance and it's a counter trend in a balance, so I wouldn't be too much excited about it. And volume distribution is long. And this guy, maybe with a test, and this guy for fun. Okay, I'm gonna let you go.